Grandeur, elegance, and a finely reputed history combine in this sprawling Mediterranean villa. Commanding over 4.5 captivating acres beneath the statuesque Santa Ynez Mountains. Magnificent entry gates open to reveal a long, impressive drive meandering along the perimeter of the estate, introducing the ancient, exotic landscape. Masterfully realized by architect Michael DeRose and developed by Robert Webb, the main residence is replete with signature attention to the finest details, beautiful symmetry, and exquisite scale. The approach culminates in a large forecourt where the residence's grand Mediterranean architecture is on majestic display. The grand entry hall, with its towering coffered ceiling, intricately detailed archways, and significant staircase, combine to create a remarkable welcome to the home. Beyond a stunning galleria, the formal spaces have been designed to host the most dignified and cordial affairs. The spectacular formal living room is the embodiment of sophistication, with noble columns, a large fireplace, and an imposing beamed ceiling. French doors open to invite the simple pleasure of an afternoon breeze, allowing the soiree to spill out to a lovely terrace. The resplendent dining room is an idyllic counterpart to the living room, with elegant moldings and china storage, and a warming fireplace, creating an intimate but impressive ambiance. Striking design is superbly met with top-of-the-line appliances, abundant storage, and access to the stunning grounds, allowing this superior kitchen to effortlessly function for convenient daily living. A bright and cheerful breakfast area is an idyllic space to begin the morning, overlooking the breathtaking central garden. A beautiful beamed ceiling, abundant windows with striking iron details, and a wet bar invite one to linger in the library's calming ambiance. The home's second level devotes itself to 4 sumptuous bedroom suites, each with wonderful views of the surrounding gardens and mountains. The scale of the regal master suite is at once grand and intimate. A soaring ceiling and towering arched French doors framing the grounds create an airy ambiance, while a fireside seating area welcomes quiet personal moments in the romantic bedroom. Across the breathtaking central garden, the ample guesthouse is nestled among olive trees and climbing vines, creating a private and alluring facade. Privately set away from the main residence and guesthouse, the estate's hidden gem awaits. Surrounded by verdant greenery, citrus trees and gardens on the perimeter of the pool and spa create a stunning summery scene. The lounge terrace, outdoor kitchen, and wisteria-covered dining pergola invite long afternoon barbecues to linger into evenings under the lavender sky. Encompassing 4.5 acres of tropical and native flora, the estate grounds are an enchanting horticultural treasure. Strolling beneath a rose-covered arbor toward the lagoon, one is transported to a private oasis awaiting discovery. This elegant Mediterranean estate celebrates the finest Montecito lifestyle with masterful architecture and exquisite entertaining spaces enveloped in a magical setting beneath majestic mountain views.